On Tuesday, May 13th, astronomers witnessed something truly spectacular and a little unsettling. A solar eruption, shaped like a massive bird wing, burst from the sun's surface, sending a wave of plasma and magnetic energy hurtling toward Earth. This wasn't just any eruption. Scientists classified it as a Class X CME filament eruption, and the size staggering. The wing stretched 600,000 miles across, dwarfing our planet. There is a likelihood that we may be impacted by a solar storm tomorrow as a result of this CME, or coronal mass ejection. While stunning, these events aren't just eye candy for space enthusiasts. Solar flares can damage satellites, disturb Earth's magnetic field, having an effect on airlines, affect the electrical grid, causing blackouts, and disrupt radio waves and GPS coordinates. There is also an increased chance of seeing the aurora borealis. Follow for more updates.